Hello everyone, this is Vijay Lakshmi Signali from Winmaths YouTube channel. Here, Winmaths is a free YouTube channel helping students across Karnataka to excel in their PUC boards exams and various competitive exams. This channel helps to those who are studying PUC and guide you making a PUC preparation well as for so many various exams. Okay, it is helpful to you for various exams. Now, in this session, we have to continue the last session. In last session, we already discussed the definition of sets and types of sets based on the two types. One is roster form and another one set builder form. Based on that two methods for the sets, we have also discussed the examples and some concept about that. Now we will discuss the exercise problems on the concept set builder form as well as for roster form. Now we can solve the exercise 1.1 now. First one, which of the followings are set? Justify your answer. Here they can given some of the questions we have to solve one by one. The first question is the collection of the all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. Okay, we have to write the collection of months of a year beginning with letter J. Here we can count the months of the year beginning with J. That is January, June, and July. Only 3 months out of 12 months beginning with the letter J. Okay, so we can easily calculate 1, 2, 3. There are only 3 months out of 12 months in a year. Starts with the letter J. January, June, and July. Therefore, this cannot be changed. Sets means it's a well defined. So, these 3 months are well defined collection. Therefore, it is become a set. Okay, it is a set. The justification is the all the months. Okay, that is January, June, and July are the well defined. Now, let us move on the second one question. The collection of the 10 most talented writers of India. Okay, here the collection of 10 most talented writers of India may vary from person to person. For example, I can write the 10 most talented writers as my knowledge. It may be Kuvempu, Dera Bendre, okay, D.R. Bendre, then I can take Vikru Gokak and so many. Okay, I can collect any 10. But my cousin not said about these number. He can speak about other than 10 or other than these writers. Okay, so the collection of 10 most talented writers of India is not well defined because everyone perspective is different. From their knowledge, they can say about 10 writers of their self only. Okay, that means it is not well defined. That's why it is not a set. The second one is not set. Next, third one. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Okay, here that is the a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Okay, here so many best cricket batsmen are there in world. Okay, here maybe Dhoni, Virat, Sunil Gavaskar, then Sachin and so many batsmen are there. As my knowledge, I can say only whatever the my knowledge, I can say about the 11 best cricket batsmen. In some other perspective, the best cricketers are different. Okay, it is not a well defined. Okay, that is a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world is different from their perspective. So here also we cannot say it is well defined. We can't say it is not well defined. That's why not set. Okay. The question number 3 is not a set. Next question number 4. The collection of all boys in your class. Okay. In your class means particularly they say about only one class. Okay. The collection of all boys in your class means here the word your means the class 11th of your school. Okay. So I can easily collect all the boys. Okay. Or I can count the numbers of boys in our class. You can get easily. So it should be a well defined. Up to 1 year of your admission. Okay. The collection of the boys not changed. Or else, okay. So we have to say count of that boys is well defined. That is, as the collection of all the boys in our class is known and can be counted. So it is well defined. Okay, it is well defined. That's why it become a set. That's why it become a set. Now, next question. The collection of natural numbers less than 100. Okay. The collection of natural number less than 100. What are the natural numbers? The number starts with 1. Okay. The number starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to so on. Less than 100 means the last number is 99. 1 to 99. We can easily get the numbers 1 to 19. It is a well defined. Okay. It is a well defined. That's why the above question will be a set. It should be a statement of the step. Next. The next question. Collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. Okay. Munshi Premchand was an novelist. Okay, he was an famous novelist. So, the collection of novels written by the Munshi Premchand. Munshi Premchand, he was an one person. Whatever the novels has to be written, it should be a collection. So, we can get easily count of the numbers. Count of the numbers or novels. We can easily get the count of the novels. So it is also well defined. It is also well defined. That's why the given statement is also set. The given statement is also set. The next question, collection of the all even integer. Okay, here even integer means the number. It should be a 0 is also even number or else it can be left here. Even integer, the number starts with 2. That is plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 6, plus or minus 8, plus or minus 10 up to so on. Even integer means it may be positive or it may be negative. irrespective of their values, but the integer must be a even number. So collection of the all the even up to so on. We don't have any end. That's why it is well defined. Okay, up to so on. But even integer means must and should everyone obeys this one. So it is also well defined. The statement becomes set. The statement becomes set. Next question. The collection of questions in this chapter. The collection of questions in this chapter. Okay. We can easily get the count of the questions in this chapter. Okay. We have to count it. We have to be count the questions of the in this chapter. So it is also well defined. It is also well defined and the given statement should be a set. Next, a collection of most dangerous animals of the world. A collection of the most dangerous animals in the world. Here, in the world, okay, in world, so many animals are there. Okay, in the world, so many elements are. One should be dangerous to another one. Okay, in our daily life, we can see so many animals are there. Okay, so it is not a well defined. It is not a well defined. So the statement is not set. The statement is not set. Okay, let us move on the next question. Question number 2. Let A be a set containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol. The symbol is denoted as a belongs and this symbol is represented as a not belongs. If the given element or number should be present in the set A, then we have to mention the symbol belongs. Otherwise, not belongs. The first one is 5 dash A. 5 is an element which is belongs. Okay, here 5 is there. 5 is an element which is belongs to A. So I can write the symbol belongs. Next, 8. 8 is an element which is not belongs. Okay, not present in the set A. So does not belongs to, does not belongs to. Then 0 is an element which is not belongs to set A. Okay, it is not belongs to A. 4 is an element which is, okay, here 4 is there. 4 is an element which is belongs to A. I can write the symbol belongs. 2. 2 is also belongs to set A. I can use the belong symbol. 10. 10 is not belongs to this set. 10 is not there in this set. So I can write not belongs. Okay, not belong. Let us move on the next question. Write the following sets in a roster form. Okay, roster form means we have to list the elements in between the brace and make a comma between the two elements. Okay, roster form means we have to list the elements. Have to make a list of the elements in between the two numbers. We have to mention the comma symbol as well as the elements are written in the closed brace. Okay, here I can take A, B and Z, taking the bucket. Here x be an element which has the property is x is an integer and the integer is lies between -3 and 7. Here less than or is equal to symbol means you have to take -3. Here less than it means we have not considering the element 7. So I can take -3 -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. The elements which is present in a set A is -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the roster form for the given problem. Next, second one. Here the set B is equal to x. X is a natural number less than 6. The natural number starts with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 because the natural number should be less than 6. So up to 5 we can write the elements from 1 to 5. Next, move on the third question. C. The set C such that x is a two-digit number. Here x should be a two-digit number such that the sum of its digit is 8. So I have to make a two-digit number. Okay. If the two-digit number, their sum should be 8. I have taken two numbers A and B. When we take A and B values, the answer should be is equal to 8. What are the numbers? So I can take here first x is a two-digit number. Two-digit number means the number is always starts with 1 or 0. So here two-digit means the first one 10 place should be a number from 1 to 9. 1, 7. I can the first number is 1, 7. When you add 1 plus 7, you can get the 8. The sum should be 8. And 2, 6. 2 plus 6, it becomes 8. 3, 5. 3 plus 5 should be 8. 4, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Then 5 plus 3, it should be 8. 6, 2, it is also 8. 7, 1. Only these 7 numbers are the two-digit numbers such that their sum should be 8. Only 7 elements are there. Okay, next, move on the next question. B. X is a prime number which is divisor of the 16. So, X should be a prime number and it is a divisor of 16. So, I can take the divisor of 16 and also it should be a prime number. So, I can take 60 here. Now, solve this by 60. First, I will take the 2. 2 3s are 6 and 0. Now again I can take 2. 2 ones are 2. Then 1 will be left here. 1 0. It should be 10. 2 5s are. Again 3. 3 5s are 15. I can take 5. 5 ones are. The divisor x is a prime number which is the divisor of 16. Okay. Now the prime numbers are the divisors are the prime number should be d is equal to x is a prime number. Out of these number 2, 3, 5. Only the three numbers 2, 3, 5. These are the divisors of 60 and these should be a prime numbers. Only 3 elements are listed for the roster form. Next, the set of all the letters in the word trigonometry. While taking or written in a set form, it means we have to list the elements within the brace. We have to take the element only once. Okay. Here I can take the first element should be T and the second element R. Third, I. Next, G. O. Here M. O. O already once I have written in a set forms, uh, and next time not written. Okay. Now M. E. T already written once here and R also written once. Then the last one letter should be what? Okay. The set of letters in the word trigonometry is TRIGONMEY. Next question. The set of all the letters in the word better. Here also we have to list the letters in the better. So I can take first B, E, T. T is another ones is there, but in rules according to the set we have to write only once. Here E also written once. The next word letter is R. Okay, these are the letters of the word better. Okay, let us move on the next question. Question number 4. Here, write the following sets in a set builder form. Write the following sets in the set builder form. Here, they can given the question in the form of roster form. So we have to make as a common property. Set builder form means we have to say about the common property of these elements while observing the elements 3, 6, 9, 12. These elements should be a these elements should be the multiplier by the 3 or tables of 3 up to 4. So I can take here the common property is x such that x is equal to 3 into n such that n is less than 5 because here only 4 elements are there. So the number n is less than 5. Again, the n is or should be a natural number. Here n should be a natural number. Now I can get the result here. Now question number 2. Here the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 16 and 32. While observing the elements, we can choose the common property. The first element 2. Okay. Here 2 to the power 1. Then the second element 4. 2 to the power 2. 2 to is a 4. The third property or third element should be 2 to the power 3. The fourth element is 2 to the power 4 and the fifth element is 2 to the power 5. So I can say or I can write the common property is x such that x is equal to 2 to the power n. The element should be less than 6 and n is belongs to natural number set. The numbers we have to take an n and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. Okay. Now let us move on the next question. The elements are 5, 25, 125 and 625. These numbers also obeys the powers of 5. So the first element should be 5 to the power 1. The second element 5 square. Then the third element 5 cube and the fourth element is 5 to the power 4. So we can write the common property for the elements are x such that x is equal to 5 to the power n. Then n should be less than 5 because only the 4 elements are there. So n is less than 5 as well as n is belongs to the natural number. Now let us move on the next question. Here 2, 4, 6. The elements are 2, 4, 6. Here they can give only 3 elements. But these points are represent up to so on for infinity. The number 2, 4, 6 up to so on infinity It means the multiplier of 2. The multipliers of 2. So I can write the common property is x such that x is equal to 2 into n. X is equal to 2 into n. Then n should be, okay, n is even natural number. N is even natural numbers. Even natural number. Here we have to mention the even because the numbers 2, 4, 6. Okay. X is equal to 2n. N should be a even natural number. Sorry. I can write only n is a natural number, not even n is a natural number because they also given as a natural number. Here 2n represents the even natural number only. Okay. Next, let us move on the question. Here the elements are 1, 4, 9 up to so on 100. So 1, 4, 9s are the squares of the natural number. That is 1 can written as a 1 square, 4 can be written 2 square, 3 can be written as 9 can be written as a 3 square, up to so on 100 means what is the value? 10 square should be 100. So the common property is x such that, okay, x such that n square, n square, n should be a natural number and n is less than 11. N should be natural number and n should be a less than 11 means we have to take from 1 to 10 only. Here n is 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, up to so on from 10. Now let us move on the question number 5. Okay, let us move on the question number 5. List all the elements of the following sets. Okay, here we have to make a list or we have to write the sets in a roster form or we have to write the collection of the objects in a roster form. Here x is a odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers means the number starts with odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 up to so. Okay, these are the list of the odd natural numbers. Now the question number 2. X is an integer in between the minus 1 by 2 is less than x which is less than 2. So first I can write the numerator only. From here less than means we have not included minus 1 and 9. So the number should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Here denominators are same means bases are same. So I can divide whole numbers each number divided by 2, we can get the elements of the given set. You can write this form or else you can take this separate 0, 1 by 2, 2 by 2 should be cancelled. It is 1, 3 by 2. Here 2 to the is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 and the finally 4. These are the integers in between the minus 1 by 2 and 9 by 2. Next, question number 3. C. X is an integer. X square is less than 4. Here, x square should be less than 4. I can write the squares. Here, Firstly, I can take x is 1. So x square should be 1. Now, integer means we have to take plus or else minus. So I can take for 1 and here for minus 1, x square should be 1 only. Now, I can take x is equal to 2. Then x square become 4. Then I choose minus 2. X square becomes plus 4 only. Again, x is equal to plus 3. X square should be 9. Okay. Here, x square is less than or is equal to 4. So, we have not considered the x is equal to plus 3. So, the only integer is less than or is equal to 4 is 1 is 0. 0 square means 0 only, which is also less than 4. Again, x should be 1 plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 2. Only these 5 elements which is present for the set x. X is an integer, x square is less than or is equal to 4. Next, the question number 4. D. The set D containing the elements x. X is the letter in the word loyal. X is a letter in the word loyal. So I can written first L O Y A. Again L is there, so I can already written L. Then we have to use the bracket. These are the elements which is present in the letter loyal. Next, X is a month of a year not having a 31 days. Okay, the month not having a 31 days. Now I can collect all the months here: January, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, January has 31 days. Feb it may 28 or 29. March 31, April 13, May 31, June 13, July 31, August 31, September 30, October 31, November 30, and finally December 31st. Okay, these are the days of in the month. These are the days in the year. Okay, now E. We have to collect the months not having a 31 days. So it means don't write the months containing 31 days. Here not having the 31 days. The months are February, it has 29, April, it has 30 days, and June, it has 30 days, August, it has, sorry, not August, September, then November. Only 5 months. Only 5 months are there have not having a 31 days. Only 5 months not having a 31 days. Okay. Now let us move on the next question. X is a consonant in the English alphabet which is preside K. Okay. The elements are the consonants which are preside K means the consonants are F, G, H, J. Next, K. Okay. Only the consonants beside K are B, C, D, F, G, H, J. The 7 consonants are there. Okay. Let us move on the next question. The question number is 6. Match each of the set on the left in the roster form with the same set on the right described in a set builder form. Here the first sets, these represents the roster form and this is represents the set builder form of the given sets. So I have to match the followings. 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay. Here x is a natural number and divisor of 6. Okay. No. Again 1, 2, 3, 6. Yes. Here the option 3 is correct. 1, 2, 3, 6. 6 is the numbers divisor of 6. X is a natural numbers divisor of 6. These are the divisors of 6. Next 2, 3. X is a prime number and divisor of 6. Yes, 2 and 3 are the prime numbers. The second one is for A. Then MATHEICA. These are the elements of the word, the letters of the word mathematics. And finally 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are the all natural numbers less than 10. Up to this much, I done all the questions for the exercise 1.1. If you have any doubt regarding while solving the exercise problem, please write your doubt on comment box. I will reply for your doubt.